Hi, I'm Dr. Garima, an edupreneur, an author, math professor at University of Delhi, and a homeschooling mother. So while helping my children learn math, I realized that the way math is done in schools is so dry, so alien, and so full of gaps that a subject which is so innate to humans, full of pure logic and common sense, is turned into a collection of formulae and theorems. And then we say that children don't like maths. I mean, who would? So while helping them learn math, and with my math background, I figured out that if parents can help their children at specific points, math can be so easy that no child can be weak at it. And that became my passion, helping parents uncover math genius in their children.